Hey guys, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City Reno ATV Wholesale Outlet. We have on the lift right now, we just got these in, and these little mini two-stroke 49cc, very beginner kids ATV. Just doing a safety check and an updated service on the PDI. Customer brought them in, so going through entire vehicle, chassis, nuts and bolts, and make sure that it's going to start. Got the technician on them right now. So it looks like we got a his and hers is the other one. So yeah, we do all sorts of service on all sorts of models, ATVs, go-karts, and scooters. Come down and check us out, 920 Matley Lane, Suite 6, 775-856-3398. Book your appointment for service or repair.